Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to discuss hyperlinks in HTML.
Let's watch this amazing video.
Before tutorial we seen about image tags, how to display the image by using HTML. I explained everything about alternate width and height. It's like a very clear explanation. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go and learn how to create a image tag by using HTML. And I'll close these all files which was created. Now in this tutorial we are going to discuss about hyperlinks. So what is meant by hyperlinks? So before that I'll create a file which is called hyperlinks. I'll save hyperlinks dot html. So best example, you can see this is my website which was there, which was created, you all of us know. So this is all the text generally. So you can see that if I move on the mouse, just observe carefully. So just I'm increasing the size, and yeah, if I move on the mouse you can see that. So it was like, what you can say that it like hand movement tool. If I remove, it's like a normal mouse. If I move, it's like a hand movement tool. That is called hyperlink. Actually I given hyperlink. So if you click this one, automatically my YouTube channel will open because I given the hyperlink of my channel. So this is called hyperlink. So how to create that, what is the tags are available, I'll discuss in this tutorial. So that is called hyperlink. I think you understand. Now just go on. Just I'll copy actual code. So like what the code was there. So yeah, I'm copying the actual syntax of hyperlinks to create. I'm increasing the size. Yeah. Yes, of course, this is the actual code of general syntax of HTML. Yeah. Here we are having a tag which is called A. A tag can also called as an anchor tag. Some they can call as an anchor tag also. We are having a tag for the hyperlink which is called A. Yes. In that I'm giving my YouTube channel. So this is the text I'm giving. Yeah. So my YouTube channel, if I click my YouTube channel, I want to open my channel link. So this is my task, I want to do that. So we are having a attribute. So in that attribute we need to give the channel link. So just give href. So this is the attribute. In this attribute we need to give the tag, the link of what you need to display. So actually guys, I want to display my YouTube channel. So just I'm copying and I'm pasting my channel because I didn't remember the link, and I copied and I pasted here. So just Control S and just go here and just reload. You can see that the link was there. So if I move, it was changed into hand symbol. If I click this one, automatically my YouTube channel was open. So this is the small tag to open the YouTube channel or whatever it may be. So guys, did you observe the thing? So if I open the YouTube channel, it was opening in same
Everyone, this
so
is
I don't want to be in same page. I want to be in another page which is new tab I want. So for that we are having another attribute which is called target. So that means just give here in target you need to give blank. So just give target equal to, so underscore blank, and just Control S and just reload this one and just give. Did you observe that it was opening in new tab? So this is the
Hi
way
everyone.
to do that in new tab. So I hope it was very clear how to open. The link was in new tab. Generally while you are using anything, it was the best example. You can see if I click this one, it was opening in new tab because I given the tag which is like target equal to blank. Every link what I have given, so it was opening in new tab. So I think you understand how it was working, the anchor tag, which is also called as an hyperlink tag. So this is all about hyperlink tag, and we are having many things. You can give image also. If you click that image, automatically some link will also open. So that is also there here. So like if you want to give one image, So if you want to open that one, you can give that one also. So we'll try that one also how it was working. So yeah, I'll give another tag which is image tag A. So here I'm giving href. So here my task is if I click that image, I want to open www.google.com or whatever it may be. So just I'll give youtube.com better. If I give like what I can say that image. So in this only just you need to give image tag. So image, yeah, image tag. So src equal to, so in before actually I downloaded the one image which is called nature.jpeg file, which has already downloaded, which was in my folder. So I'm using that image. So this image I want to, if I click this image, I want like www.youtube.com website. Yeah, I already downloaded. Now I'm not downloading. So just give the same name. It should be same name what the name is there. N should be small and everything should be there. And just give nature.jpeg. Yeah, and you need to check which type also. It is like jpeg file. If it was png file, you need to give .png. So which was I already explained in images tags. It was very clear. Just follow and do that. And just close this file and just control S. Is it working or not? We need to check and just reload it. Yes, of course I'm getting a YouTube. So guys, just observe it was changing the hand movement. That means yes, it's working very clear. If I click this one, yeah, automatically my YouTube link was opening. So if you want like target, so if you want in like another page, just give this target equal to blank, so underscore blank, and reload it. Yeah, if you see that it was opening in new tab. Yeah, this is all about YouTube channel. Yeah, so this is all about hyperlinks. So it's like a very clear explanation. And if you want to give hyperlink to button also, so you can give hyperlink to button. How we can do that? So we are having a tag to create a button. So that is called button tag. So in button tag also you can give by using on click. You can give that if you click that button, automatically it was opening in another tutorial. So that is also there. So we are having button. Actually I'll create the button which is like html button. Just I'm creating how it was working, and by that you can give anchor tag also, and you can give like that also. You can see that yes, I created a button. So it's like a not clicking because I didn't given the link. So you can give the link this one. So it was just you can give that, and just don't forget to close the tag. So guys, if you're opening any tag, you need to close the tag. Yeah, just close. Guys, just observe I'm giving that. So here I'm opening inside the button I want to get, and I'm closing here also. Here I'm opening, and if I click the image I want to get, that's why I opened in before and I closed it after that. And just reload that. If I click this button, of course I'll get youtube.com, because here I given YouTube. So instead of YouTube I'll give like google.com. Just control S and reload it. If I click this one, I'll get like google.com. So yeah, this is the way to create a button by using button tag. So if you want like increase the size of the button, generally you can see that it's like a side by side, you can see that after that. So if you want like you can give like br tag, that means break. Just control S and observe. Do you observe that it was breaking? So it was this side. If you want like the button size should be increased, you can give height and width. This is all advanced, you can try that. So I'm telling the basics, minimum basics of this html. I hope you enjoyed how to create a links, hyperlinks by using anchor tag. We are having a attribute which is like href. If you want to open in new tab, you can use target. So which text you want, you can give. So here I explain the text hyperlink, image hyperlink, and button hyperlink. It's like a very clear explanation. I'll come with another tutorial which is called table tags. Until then, wait for next tutorial.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with the new videos and new tutorials for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and give a like and share, and also just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comments.